Hello and welcome. This is Roy. I'm sharing with you a brief clip taken from a long video that I've just finished to record for my subscribers. In this long video, I explained that the coming week is likely to be very decisive in mapping out the direction for many markets for many weeks and possibly months to come. I go through all the correlations and the special relationships that exist amongst the charts that I introduce. You will see me introducing all those charts. If you like to have access to this very important video that could help you to map out not just the coming week's price action, but beyond, just take a trial of my service and you could have an access to this video as well as to another 5. And you could also ask me specific questions as to positions that you might have or other questions. And I think that this detailed video can help anyone, whether you're looking for a daily trade or a position that you want to set up for a week or longer. As for the clip, I hope you enjoy it. I hope you have a good week. That's all. Bye now. Hello and welcome. This is Roy. There are plenty of interesting charts in this video, and I've got the dollar index, the euro US dollar, the US dollar Danish krona, the euro Japanese yen, British pound Japanese yen, Australian dollar US dollar, New Zealand dollar US dollar, British pound US dollar, the euro Chinese yuan, British pound Chinese yuan, gold, silver, light crude, Brent crude, heating oil, the CRB, the FEX, TNX, the US T-bond, TLT, long yields, the euro book sell, and then the Dow, the S&P 500, the FTSE of the UK, and I'll terminate the video with a look at the Nikkei. Okay, we are coming to look at gold. I've already mentioned on my Twitter page that I think if gold goes back to 1250, 1250, gold is dead as far as the patterns are concerned here. Gold is dead, the bullish trend is dead for weeks if not months to come. Yes, gold will take an absolute dive, maybe to 1000, maybe less than 1000, slumping most likely along with oil, while the US dollar will rise sharply higher. That is really the big picture. I think that this will come into control. The 1-2 here, it is not looking brilliant right now, and I wouldn't touch this market because I don't see really very interesting odds. That's a 1-2, that's the 60 minutes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Triangle, terminating triangle here. We had either an ABC. If that's the case, let gold shine again. Let's see it shining again, coming back up. Yes, that's what it would take to resurrect the bull in style. Go back to 1360. You do that, I'll be interested. You don't do that, you plunge further down under 1285. I'll be also interested, but not as a bull. I'll be interested to sell it short. Okay, right now it's in the middle of nowhere. I wouldn't do anything. But this is clearly, these are the maps for you to follow if you are very interested in gold. Here's silver, and this is the daily. And in the case of silver, we can go closer here and look. It's looking miserable. It went down under the 50. It hung on the 50 for almost 7 trading days here, and then crashed in a very bearish manner. That could turn into the correct wave count in the red, A, B, C, and this market will plunge all the way down to 19, 18 and lower. Very, very short term. I've already mentioned that any break, like in the case of gold, any break back to 2050, this market is doomed. Is doomed. There is a scope. Sorry, there is a scope for one more touchdown here early next week that might see it finding support at 2150, and that will terminate in A, B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, C, and then the resurrection. That's what it would take to bring all the bullish forces back to life, in my opinion, and start looking higher. Breaking through 2150, continuing lower could be a very big hint, advanced signal where silver wants to go. Now keep a sharp eye on what oil is doing. Keep a sharp eye on what oil is doing, because if oil is going to crash by $2 or $3 Monday, Tuesday, I would bet my money that gold and silver are going to crash as well.